This is Mobalaji Bank Anthony Way. If you are coming from airport, opposite that custom is blocked. You can't cross to go to maybe Sheraton or Maryland. If you are coming from Maryland also, when you get to that new building, this building here, they have blocked it also. No car can go inside Computer Village. No car can come out from Computer Village to Maryland. No car can come from Maryland to inside Ikeja. So now, so they just lock everybody. See, this is car. You can see this is traffic. This traffic has gotten to, let me just say, Maryland as I'm talking to you like this. So they have padlocked everywhere. So look at, you can see now. Look at where the padlock. They have locked this place. Nobody is passing to come to Maryland. This is it. Now the other side is the same thing. Look at traffic. This is my car here. Everywhere is, it's not okay. You see, everywhere is locked down. Mobalaji Bank Anthony Way. That is it. So look at it. Everywhere is tight. Look at it. This monkey, they get sense now, making the reverse Congo. So everywhere, look at how everywhere is. Even Okada save no fit cross. See, the thing is locked down. Now stand by with this, yeah. Bank Anthony Way. Coming from Maryland. Everywhere is still. Stand still. Stand still. So I don't know what is happening though. Look at everywhere is stand still now. Stand still. So it's not bomb, it's not bomb. For where? Calm down. Nothing. Where are you running to?
If I'm going to go out, I'm going to go out there, boss.